Hyundai Genesis sedan. This is the steering wheel hub. That's the old steering wheel. The way I did it was you take this off. Take that off. Take off the hub. This is the back of my hub. This is the wires for the airbag. As you can see, they go on the top, not the bottom. Those are the two fuses. The way I did my airbag was it's right there. There and they're not moving, it's just out the way. This is the wire for the horn. I made it a little bit longer. This is a good wire too, not the cheap one. Took a ring terminal that was bigger than the wire, shove the wire through. Use a washer with a rubber O-ring and a screw. Drill it onto this plastic right here. I'm not going to show you guys the harness because you guys see plenty of videos of the harness, but that's it right there. Hub. Goes on foolery, goes on right there. And just to show you guys that it really works. Let's see, how am I going to do this? Hold this up. Yep, these two wires right here, when you rub them together, here's your horn. So it's going to touch. You don't have to worry about it binding up or coming out.